Did you know that Albert Einstein, one of the greatest minds in history, was once considered a major disappointment? That's right, the man who would later revolutionize our understanding of the universe was not always regarded as a genius. Albert Einstein, born in the late 19th century in the city of Ulm, Germany, didn't have the most auspicious start in life. His parents were perplexed by their unusually quiet and thoughtful child, who showed little interest in the traditional education system. In school, young Albert was labeled slow and unteachable. His curiosity, which would later become the bedrock of his genius, was not encouraged, but rather seen as a nuisance. He was often found daydreaming, his mind wandering far beyond the confines of his classroom. Einstein's rebellious streak didn't serve him well in the rigid school environment of his time. His thirst for knowledge and his disdain for rote learning often put him at odds with his teachers. He was considered a troublemaker, a boy who asked too many questions and followed too few rules. After he finally managed to graduate, Einstein found himself in another quandary. He was unable to secure a position in academia, as his rebellious nature had left him with few allies. He was left with no choice but to accept a position as a patent examiner in the Swiss Patent Office, a job far removed from the academic pursuits he desired. His life, to an outsider, might have seemed like a series of failures and disappointments. Here was a man, brimming with ideas and curiosity, stuck in a job that didn't value his intellect, in a world that didn't understand his brilliance. But the story of Albert Einstein doesn't end here. Far from it. Remember, the darkest hour is just before the dawn. And for Einstein, dawn was about to break in the most spectacular way. So, before you feel disheartened by your own struggles and failures, remember Einstein. Remember that even the most brilliant minds faced adversity, because it's not about how you start the race, but how you finish it. And Einstein, well, he finished like a champion. Einstein's life at this point seemed to be a series of failures and disappointments. But as we'll see in the next segment, even the bleakest start can lead to the most brilliant finish. But despite the adversity, Einstein refused to be defined by his early struggles. He refused to let the challenges of his youth overshadow the brilliance of his future. The world around him was a mystery, a puzzle waiting to be solved. And Einstein, with his relentless curiosity and insatiable thirst for knowledge, was more than eager to piece it together. He worked tirelessly, his mind constantly buzzing with questions about the universe. Why are we here? What is our purpose? How does everything work? These were the questions that fueled his passion, that kept him awake at night, that drove his groundbreaking research. Einstein's unwavering commitment to understanding the universe led him down a path of discovery that would forever change the course of science. He delved deep into the world of physics, challenging conventional wisdom and pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible. His theory of relativity was a game changer, a revolution in the way we perceive space, time, and gravity. Einstein dared to imagine a universe where space and time were interwoven, where gravity was not just a force, but a curvature in the fabric of space-time. This was a radical concept, a new way of seeing the universe, and it opened up a whole new world of possibilities. But Einstein didn't just stop there. He continued to explore, to learn, to question. And with each new discovery, he brought us closer to understanding the universe and our place in it. He showed us that the universe was not a static, unchanging entity, but a dynamic, evolving cosmos full of mystery and wonder. Einstein's journey was not an easy one. He faced many obstacles, many setbacks, but he never gave up. He never let failure deter him from his quest for knowledge. Instead, he used it as fuel, as motivation to push harder, to delve deeper, to strive for greatness. Einstein's story demonstrates that failure is not the end, but often the beginning of something great. It shows us that with determination, perseverance, and a relentless curiosity, we can overcome any obstacle, we can achieve anything we set our minds to, we can change the world. Einstein's journey wasn't easy, but his stubborn persistence and refusal to give up led to his eventual success. Picture this, a young scientist tirelessly working on theories and equations that would forever alter our understanding of the universe. The year was 1921 and Albert Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics, not for his renowned theory of relativity but for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, a cornerstone in the evolution of quantum mechanics. His triumph didn't stop there. Einstein continued to contribute significantly to the field of cosmology. His theory of general relativity proposed a revolutionary way of interpreting gravity, as a curvature of space-time caused by mass and energy. This theory laid the groundwork for the study of black holes, gravitational waves, and the expanding universe. But Einstein's achievements extend beyond the realm of science. He used his influence to advocate for education, civil rights, and pacifism. A truly multifaceted man, he was not only a brilliant physicist, but a humanitarian who believed in the power of knowledge and the importance of equality. His theories have shaped our understanding of the universe from the smallest particle to the most massive galaxy. His work has influenced generations of physicists, astronomers, and scientists who have followed in his footsteps, exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. Despite these monumental achievements, Einstein remained humble. He didn't believe he possessed any extraordinary talent. Instead, he attributed his success to his insatiable curiosity. He once said, "I have no special talent, I am only passionately curious." This passionate curiosity, coupled with unwavering determination, propelled him to the forefront of scientific discovery. Einstein's triumph serves as a beacon, illuminating the path for all who dare to question, to explore, to seek the truth. It reminds us that success isn't about innate talent, but about passion, curiosity, and perseverance. It's about daring to ask the difficult questions, to challenge the status quo, to venture into the unknown in pursuit of knowledge. Einstein once said, "I have no special talent, I am only passionately curious." His curiosity, combined with his determination, turned him into one of the most influential scientists in history. Einstein's legacy extends far beyond his scientific contributions. His influence permeates not only the realm of physics, but also the fabric of our culture and society. His name, Einstein, has become synonymous with genius and creativity worldwide. But his legacy is not confined to EMC² or the theory of relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity. It is much more multifaceted and profound. Einstein was a fervent advocate for education. He believed that the value of education was not just in the accumulation of knowledge, but in the fostering of curiosity and the development of critical thinking. He once said, "Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think." His words continue to inspire educators and students alike, emphasizing the importance of nurturing the inquisitive mind. He was also a tireless champion of civil rights. In the early 20th century, when racial segregation was still prevalent, Einstein used his fame to denounce racism and advocate for equality. He invited African-American scientists to Princeton when they were barred from other institutions, setting an example of inclusion and equity. Moreover, Einstein's story itself is an inspiration. His journey from a patent clerk to one of the most influential scientists in history is a story of perseverance and resilience. He faced rejections, failures, and even ridicule, but he never gave up. He kept questioning, exploring, and imagining. His life is a testament to the power of an inquiring mind and the potential within each of us to leave a lasting impact. Einstein's legacy is a beacon of hope, a reminder that we too can overcome obstacles, that our curiosity can lead us to unexpected discoveries, and that our actions can influence generations to come. His legacy encourages us to keep asking questions, to keep learning, to keep pushing the boundaries of what we know. It reminds us of the power of ideas and the potential of the human spirit. Einstein's story is a testament to the power of perseverance, the value of curiosity, and the potential within all of us to achieve greatness. So what can we learn from Albert Einstein's journey? Well, let's take a moment to reflect on the extraordinary path he tread. Albert Einstein, a name synonymous with genius, did not start as the world-renowned physicist we remember him as today. He began as an unknown, a young man with a profound curiosity and a mind that dared to question the established norms. His journey was not a smooth sail. It was filled with struggles, trials, and tribulations. There were moments of despair, of self-doubt, and even of failure. But did he let these obstacles deter him? No, he persevered, he fought. He held on to his fascination for the universe, and he dared to dream. Einstein's turning point came not from a grand event, but from his relentless pursuit of understanding. His triumph was not achieved overnight. It was the result of years of hard work, of persistence, and of an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. His legacy, the theory of relativity, a groundbreaking scientific discovery that forever changed how we perceive the world. However, the real inspiration we can draw from Einstein's journey is not merely his scientific achievements. It's the unwavering perseverance he exhibited, the insatiable curiosity that drove him, and the courage he had to embrace his unique path in life. Einstein's journey teaches us that it's okay to be different, to question, and to dream. So whether you're a student, a professional, a dreamer, or a doer, Remember this: you have within you the potential for greatness. It may not be easy. You may face obstacles, experience failures, and even feel like giving up, but keep pushing, keep exploring, let your curiosity lead you forward. Remember, every struggle is a step forward, so keep pushing, keep exploring, and let your curiosity lead you to greatness. After all, you might just be the next Einstein.